In the step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to get rewards in Monopoly Go game. First of all, you need to open Monopoly Go's official website, which is monopolygo.com, and you need to log into your account. Then in the left-hand side menu, you'll find reward codes. You need to click on this, and here is the place where you can enter the code. Just enter the code right here, click the Go button, and you will claim your reward in the game. But if you don't have code and wondering where you can find the codes for Monopoly Go, for you guys I will tell you that you need to buy the Monopoly Go official board game and you will find the codes inside the game. So if you don't know where to find the game, you can just go to the Amazon or any place where this game is being sold, and you need to buy the game. Just as you can see at the moment, there is a discount on it and it costs $12.39. So you can get this game and you will find the codes inside the board game. And by the way, I will leave the link of this product into the description. You can buy it. And then as I showed you, you need to go to this website, go to the rewards code section and enter the code right here. Then click the go button and you will get the reward. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.